Hi everyone, Cindy Squirrel here with Aubrey. These are the spatulas I've had forever from Aubrey. Guess which one's hers and which one is mine? Aubrey's hungry. So Grandma's gonna give away her secret buttermilk pancake recipe. So, again, I'm only going to make half a batch. So it's do as I say, not as I do. I'm only going to make half the stuff, but I'm going to give you the recipe for a whole batch. So Aubrey's going to start off with 2 cups of flour. Half a teaspoon of salt. Salt. Oh, salt. One teaspoon of baking soda. 1 tablespoon of sugar. And she's just going to stir that all up. Do that so you don't get a great big mouthful of baking soda, because that's really not great. Okay, now she is gonna, I have put in the milk. I didn't have buttermilk, so I put in a tablespoon of lemon juice before I started all this. So it's been sitting, it's 2 cups of milk has been sitting in the lemon juice. So she's gonna pour that in now. She's going to dump in 1 egg. And 1.5 tablespoons of shortening or lard, vegetable oil, whatever you need. Okay, now Aubrey's just going to mix that all up.
So it's a wet-ish batter.
Yeah. Okay, so the pan is hot enough, and I've put a little bit of oil in there. Now when your granddaughter's here, you do silly pancakes. So we'll start off with a heart and let that cook for a second. And then when that's cooked for a second, you dump the batter over top of it. It doesn't have to be a heart, it could be
anything.
It could be a, yeah, any design. Okay, we're waiting for bubbles to form. There's only a few there, but when we have lots of bubbles, that's when you flip it. Okay, you can see that it's cooking a bit there. We have lots of bubbles. So I'm going to attempt to flip this.
There's a heart!
Mm-hmm.
She thinks
Okay, so there is our finished product. Now, today I'm going to do a review. Our one son got us this great big 2-liter jug of maple syrup. There's no way I'm setting that on the table. So I have this tilt and serve dispenser, which is a dripless dispenser, and it's from Tupperware. Now, the worst thing I hate about syrup is it drips all over, drips down here, then it gets put on the fridge, and then it makes a mess on the fridge. So I'm going to try this. Will it tilt? Will it come out? And dripless. Look at that. No drip is coming out. Okay, the moment of truth.
delicious.
Aw, thanks, sweetie. Love you. Thanks everybody for watching. Please like and subscribe.